Hello once again. Now we are almost to be free from this lockdown because soon or later we'll be out now, going on holidays, going to the picnic, going to the seaside, and starting to get a bit of heat wherever we are. Even we are in the world of different temperatures, climate. But now when we look at the lockdown, sooner or later we start going to the coffee shop, we start going to the restaurant to eat, or we'll be having a picnic somewhere. My big question is, what cutlery will you be using? What cutlery will you be using when you start traveling? Because now from the look of things, I don't trust, for example, personally, I don't trust any place I go to eat and get their cutlery, whether they are reusable. So this is a high time to start to be a little bit hygienic. And when we look at the single use of the cutleries we use in our homes or in the restaurants, they're not just unsustainable and unhygienic. Literally, they're also hard to use too. But I've got good news for you. Now, the latest new product in the market, it's a brand new on Amazon. So you're gonna get it from my link with a special offer. This is the new outlay set. And what does it do? It's a portable, it's reusable, it's the best stainless steel, it's a good travel cutlery set, and it's also reusable chopsticks. You know, the Chinese chopsticks. It comes with a case for camping. Let's say like sooner or later we start going for camping. Very ideal for camping. Let's say we start probably going to the office a few days per week, or maybe if we go back to normal. You need to bring your cutleries, because the hygienic aspect of cleaning cutleries in the offices is not very great. Well, many offices, they've got dishwashers, but it's good to have your own. Just like the way when I go to work, I have my own cup of tea, cup. So when I'm having my cuppa, I don't need to rely on anyone's else cup, because people just come and drink and leave anywhere. You know, nobody cares. So it's good on the ready to go. And guess what? It comes in a packet. A packet like the case for my phone. A packet like that you can put in your pocket. Ideal for your car. You can bring it in the car. And it fits very well in your handbag for outdoor adventures, for example. And it's also great for camping. It's a good set of camping too. Very hygienic and easy to assemble. Not only is easy to assemble and hygienic, but it's also good for our planet. And once you finished with the meal, you just throw into the water, or you just a bit of water and dry with dry cloth. So eat responsibly. Welcome and join this community whereby they are very passionate with the supplies of new cutleries. This community is much passionate with what they eat and what they consume daily in their lives, for example. And most importantly, how the cutleries are made. It's a committed, well-committed community that they source very good, responsible production And these are from the facilities in the world whereby it's incorporated as many reusable materials as possible. And the good news is that you can put it in the dishwasher. It's stainless steel, so it's not going to fade away soon. Ideal for all occasions. This will be very hygienic because now we are almost after lockdown and you wouldn't trust any cutleries people are using out there. And you can buy it as a present, as a gift. You can buy it for yourself, for your office, for your kitchen, for traveling. If you're on the plane, you don't know the reusable they gave us, how they are handled, you know, but you need to be a little bit hygienic. So that's very, very important. It's a very important point, hygienic part of it, and something which, you know, I've used it and I bring it home and I'm going to use at home. It's a brand new in the market, and if you click on my link below, you'll get the best price from the website. So it's good stuff. I would say please subscribe to my channel, leave some comments, and maybe we can share ideas of what other nice videos we can come up with. Please share the video contents, ring the bell so that you get some update of whatever videos are coming up. During this lockdown, stay safe, look after one another, look after the grandma and grandpa next door, and above all, look after yourself. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and talk to you again soon. Thank you very much. Check on the link below and order one for yourself. Very good minimal budget for you. Cheers and see you soon.